You all will not believe the transformation that garage went through. So what we're going to do is I am going to take you inside the garage so you can see the after. But before, I'm going to start with the before picture. Now, when we take a look at this garage, it's definitely a lot of stuff in here. So what has been done is things has been separated. The wood is over on this side, and the plastics, the metals has already been taken out. But this is what we're working on getting cleaned out. And when you first come into an area like this, it doesn't look like it's as much until you actually get rolling. And then you think like, wow, look at all of this mess. And so sometimes when you think it's just one load, once you get going, you see how quickly these things add up, and it becomes multiple loads, right? And so just being able to get some of the trash out a little bit at a time, but you all will be amazed on what the end result, how it's gonna look. The end result. So yeah, I see they took down a few things, like it was a cabinet, like that cabinet back there was mounted on the wall right over here. And so you'll be able to see upstairs, there's a few things upstairs, and those are the attic stairs right there that you can just pull down, and you probably noticed it in another video. But just to let you all, have you all see what's going on inside this garage. There's a lot of debris. The goal is to give it a few days and have all of this stuff kind of out and removed. That's the goal. This is a little fire pit that was made to keep everything. It's cold outside right now. Well, to me it's cold. Yeah, this is where we are right now. We got all these trees and stuff cut down, and it's crazy, like once you get started, how stuff is like spread everywhere. Well, you know, it looks like it's a little bit until that stuff starts coming down. And you can see like the outside is just as much as this is where that hot tub was. Got that tree down right there.
Big chunk of it's down. Another half hour it'll be down.
Remember we had a tree, they got these little areas. Yeah, all that stuff. It's a lot. And look at this. Look how this just fell off. I'm going to attempt to screw this board up. You know, you gotta hit some studs, some wood, so we'll see. Not bad, it's good for me. I don't want to get but right? So I'm gonna actually get a piece of wood. Let me see if they threw that wood away. Because if not, I could get that wood from the inside. It was along the wall. Let me check it out real quick. But yeah, one step at a time, you all. Now I'm gonna get this wood right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. This is old drywall, but I'm gonna get that wood. Is this stuck to the... Yeah, they try to come through and all these books and stuff. They try to come through and get whatever they can. I'm down to the end of cleaning the garage, and hopefully I gotta get this corner back here. I'm borrowing this trash can so I can put the recyclables in there, because most of these bags over on this side has paper in it, and it's too heavy for me to carry, and so I'm gonna put that in the recycle bin along with these 2 boxes right here has books in it. Put that in the recycle bin. Gonna scrape out that corner, put it in the trash can, scrape out this corner, put it in the trash can when trash day come. I am hoping to put out all of these bags when trash day come, and a few of those pieces right there. Those are 2 toilets that were in the house. And again, put out a little bit at a time, and then the final product will be shown afterwards. Alright, you all, do not look at my studded winter hat. But I'm in the garage right now. Almost to the end. Got a little bit work to do. Got to work in this corner right here. This stuff right here in this corner is so wedged in there. It's like layers and layers. And it's crazy because right in this area right here, it was like stuffed with plastic bags. And so, I don't know if you remember, but there was a bench over here against the wall. It's actually right here. But then, from the outside looking, there was a bench against that wall. And if you notice, it's gone. And so I took out all the studs too that was holding this plexiglass. Or this, is this plexiglass? Yeah, that's regular glass. I took out the studs that were holding that because they were rotted. And so this is the paneling that you see on the outside. Look at all this foam. So I'm gonna take all of this. Take all of this out eventually. Right here on the ground is nothing but dirt. But this is inside the garage. Almost finished. I think I'm down to the last 6 bags. The trash is full for today. And so today is trash day. So tomorrow I will come back and get up these piles right here that were left. Take these bags, put them in the trash can, or I may save those bags until next time, and then start getting rid of this drywall. That's drywall that was left there. And so I am making some progress in the garage. Stay tuned for the final product. Alright, you all, so as I'm cleaning the garage and I'm down to this last corner over here, guess what I found? This. Whoa, what is this? Who is this? Who is this? What? You will not believe this. I cannot believe this. This is what we doing? Okay. It's raining. Today's goal was to, 1, get the garage door. So the garage door, first of all, the garage is cleaned out. Second, the door had missing panels. Not only did the door have missing panels, it was off the hinge. There were no rollers. The only thing I need to do is get the garage door closed up. That's all I want to do is get the garage closed up, so that way nothing is going inside the garage at night or whatever the case is. So I kind of had to improvise a little bit, but my brother, he kind of helped me out because I was doing a little struggling, and he came and helped me to get the door down so that way I could change all the rollers on it. So here it is. Here's the garage door. Huh? My brother's crazy. So here's the garage door. So drop in the comment section if you could tell me what material these 2 panels were replaced with. Just drop it in the in the comment section. This is a wood garage door, and again, we couldn't get it down. So with the help of my brother, I was able to get it down. Once I got it down, I was able to take the rollers. Come on! I was able to take the rollers. It's facing that way anyway. I was able to take the rollers and change them to get it down. It's not even facing us. So yeah, let's take a look. In order to get on the inside though. Alright, so let's lift this up. Let's check it out. Well, ahead. Alright, yeah, so actually, for those who commented, it is drywall. So I had this wrap drywall, and I took it, and I actually screwed it up to the inside of the panel. So that way, it's secure, you know, and that way, things are not just laying around everywhere. So, yeah, this is what it is. I told you all that the transformation was epic. You will not believe the amount of work that it took to get to that point. When I tell you sweat, labor, trips to the trash, trips to the dumpster, a ton of bags, ton of just work. I don't know what I'm saying, but you all see it. You all see the results. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Until the next one.